Use my life, Lord, to serve your people and follow you wherever you may lead. Let everything I do reveal my trust in you. Your faithful witness I will be. Use my hands to help your people and share the many blessings I receive. Let every warm embrace reflect your love and grace, so all may know you and believe. Use me, Lord, to be a true disciple. Use me, Lord, to comfort and forgive. Guide my way as I follow you in faith and serve you every day I live. Take my life and let it be used to serve you faithfully. Show me, Lord, what you have planned. Help me live as you command. Help me live as you command. Use my voice, Lord, to teach your people and tell the hope and promise of your word. Let every song I raise resound in grateful praise, to share my joy with all the world. Use me, Lord, to be a true disciple. Use me, Lord, to comfort